Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup call logs on Android using Google Apps. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your Android device and opening the Settings app. Scroll down and locate the Google option in the menu. Tap on Google to access your Google account settings. In this section, find and select Backup. You will see a toggle for Backup to Google Drive. Ensure that this toggle is turned on to enable backup features. Next, tap on the App Data option to access details about what will be backed up. Look for the call history setting within the list. Make sure it is included in the backup settings to ensure your call logs are saved. Once confirmed, go back to the previous menu. Next, open the Contacts app on your device. Tap on the three horizontal lines or dots to access the menu options. Select Settings from the drop-down list. Look for the Export or Import/Export option. Choose Export to SIM card or Export to storage depending on your preference. Check that your call logs are included in the exported data. Now, connect your device to Wi-Fi to ensure a strong backup connection. Return to the backup settings and select Backup Now if you want to initiate an immediate backup. Allow the process to complete. To verify your backup, go back to the Google Drive app. Open Google Drive and navigate to the Backup section. Find your device listed there, and tap on it to view the backup details. Confirm that the call logs are included in the backup. With these steps, your call logs are safely backed up using Google Apps. You can now easily restore your call logs whenever needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.